What's up everybody, it's your boy JB and we have reached 100 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. There's so much more exciting content to come, and as I've been passing around on social media, there is going to be one lucky subscriber who is going to win a $25 Amazon gift card right now. And I have in this bowl all the subscribers. I put everyone in there, toss it up. I'm tossing it up. I'm not seeing who it is. I'm not seeing who the winner is. And this one lucky winner is gonna win the gift card. And that winner is Lily! Congratulations, Lily! There's so much more exciting content to come. I'm so excited for you. Yes, congratulations again, Lily, for winning the $25 Amazon gift card. So, let's get right on to the video. What's up guys? So today I'm going to be talking about 5 ways on how to overcome insecurities as a singer. Now these principles can be used in any given field, but I'm going to be talking specifically towards the singers and performers. Now I'm no expert, but these are things I've learned from people who are artists or people who have been my teachers, advisors, and also my personal experiences that I've went through the stages that I've been performing on, and all of the auditions that I've been on, and all the talent shows that I've performed in the past. So, the first tip I'll give you is to embrace criticism. So, it's definitely all about who you are and how you can accept criticism. It's a mental game. Sometimes we compare ourselves, sometimes when we allow ourselves to think that we're not a good singer or we're not better than someone else, and we start to compare ourselves, and really it's your lane. You're supposed to be focusing on your voice, your sound, your unique gift, talent, and skill. You have to be able to meditate on everything that's positive, everything that's going to help you grow, everything that's going to help you get stronger. So you have to be reading, listening to music, and watching videos that help motivate and allow you to accumulate a positive mindset. You want to make sure that you yourself as a person, regardless if you're a singer or not, to gain that confidence and to be vulnerable with the things that hinder you. We all have different perks, personality traits, and different things that can stop us from being our best selves, and you have to find out what that is. Write that down, and then also write down what positive affirmations or what positive steps you're going to take to being your best self. It's all about you mentally as a person. How are you going to set your mind to have a positive mindset and to be optimistic? The number 2 tip, I would say, aim for progression. It's all about progression. It's all about taking your time and knowing that we all have different, growth patterns. Everyone has a different time and season where they grow and get stronger, or they just need to work and be patient with it. There are times where I'm just like, I don't want to post anything because I'm a perfectionist, like to 100. You can always find one or more things in something in your voice or when you're creating a video that goes wrong or it doesn't really sound the way that you want it to, but that just hinders you from getting to the place that you actually want to get to. And it's just about continuing to have fun and embrace the journey. We all have different paces and there's no need to rush. Number 3 is to think bigger. There are so many people out in this world. There's 7 billion people out in this world. And I feel like sometimes social media will allow us to think small. You have a specific and unique lane and gift yourself, and you can reach lots of people if you hone in on your skill and your gift. It's not about what everybody else is doing, it's about what you are doing. And from that confidence with embracing the criticism comes with you embracing and loving what you can tap into personally that allows you to embrace your journey, that allows you to be confident in what you are doing next. I don't have to sing one specific genre. I can sing multiple genres. I can have my own style. I can still be marketable and commercial if I learn to be confident and, just continue with that confidence. It's an everyday thing. Number 4, stay true to yourself. You know, sometimes the industry or people will try to put you up and be somebody that you aren't, and it takes away from your creativity, it takes away from your uniqueness, and it strips you of maximizing your ability to be the best that you can be as a singer and as a performer. People will have critiques and criticism of your voice, and singing is something that you do, it's not who you are. So if a person is critiquing what you're doing, don't take it too personal, because you know that if it's something that can help you grow and advance, take that and learn from that and embrace it, and then continue to work on whatever area that you know you can get better and stronger at. And then number 5, the number 5 tip I would say is to always go back and focus on your why. Why are you singing? Why are you performing? Is it to please people? Is it to gain lots of money and success and fame and popularity? Make sure that you value who you are and value your gift, and know how much you are worth. You are valuable because you are a star and you can do anything you put your mind to. Well, that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Make sure you share this to someone who may need this. I hope you guys stay tuned, because there's so much more creative content coming. I'm so excited for it. This is gonna be amazing. Check out my recent cover, and thank you guys so much for the 100 subscribers. This is absolutely amazing. Thank you guys. All right, see you later in the next one.